Let's compare LeadsForge versus ZoomInfo so that by the end of this video, you'd know which platform is better for you to help you close more deals, sell your products, and make more money. Now, both of these platforms may look similar, and they kind of are, but at the same time, they're very different. Both platforms provide you with leads, basically prospects and their emails, phone numbers that you can use to reach out to them, and even information that you could use to personalize messages with. But the thing about LeadsForge is that it's just a lead database. You go to it, you get leads, you get out, you push those leads to your CRM, to your sequencer like Salesforce, Smart Lead, whatever it is, and you do outreach. Now, ZoomInfo is built to be all-in-one solution. Now, LeadsForge can be similar because it's part of the Forge stack, but it doesn't lock you in to use their platform. ZoomInfo, on the other hand, like I said, it's built to be all-in-one. So sales development, right? Account executive, whatever, for RevOps, all of that stuff, which means, and we'll get to it in a bit, you basically pay for everything even if you don't need it. Now, the user experience itself about generating leads is also quite different. With LeadsForge, you just describe your ideal customer and you get sample data that you then agree or filter down even more and get a list of leads that you want in any amount, 2,000, 10,000, 50,000, whatever it is, right? Now, with ZoomInfo, it's old-fashioned. So you have to use the filters, do it all manually, meaning it will take you some time to get the best leads possible, right? Here, AI does the job. If you want, it still has filters, but it helps you out right away to get started, so you don't have to spend half an hour searching the best, industry or I don't know, location, whatever it is. So like I said, ZoomInfo is all in one platform. You get company data, you can send out messages, analyze calls, meetings, and all of that stuff. But like I said, that means you're paying for everything even if you don't use it. It doesn't even list the pricing. If you want it, you have to talk to the people, usual expensive demo stuff. Now, some sources say it starts in thousands, even like 15,000, whatever it is. So it might not be for everyone. LeadsForge, on the other hand, it starts at $50. Now, it even has a free trial if you want to try it out. But once you do, and you'll fall in love with it, and that's for sure, you'll get 2,000 export credits for $50. And those credits roll over, meaning you can export as many leads, and you only pay for leads that are valid. Meaning if you try to export 1,000 leads and 7 of them are invalid, you will not use those 7 credits, right? Now, I have a full tutorial of LeadsForge and how to use it to find lookalike leads, scrape competitor company followers, and all of that good stuff. So I suggest you check out this video next.